Hi there, welcome to the Money Made Simple. If you're planning for retirement or already receiving Social Security benefits, you'll want to pay close attention to this. Big changes are coming to Social Security in 2025, and they could have a significant impact on your retirement plans. Let's take a closer look into what's new and how it might affect you. Starting in 2025, the Social Security Administration is rolling out some important updates. These changes are designed to address funding challenges and ensure the program remains sustainable for future generations. But what does that mean for you? Let's break it down. One of the biggest changes coming in 2025 is an adjustment to the full retirement age, FRA. For those born in 1960 or later, the FRA will increase to 67. This means you'll need to wait a little longer to claim your full Social Security benefits. If you retire earlier, your benefits could be reduced, so it's important to plan accordingly. Here's an example. If your full retirement age is 67 but you decide to retire at 62, your benefits could be reduced by up to 30%. On the flip side, if you delay claiming benefits past your FRA, you could see an increase of up to 8% per year until age 70. So timing is everything. Another change to watch out for is the taxable maximum income limit. In 2025, the cap on income subject to Social Security taxes is expected to increase. Right now, only income up to $1,860 is taxed for Social Security, but that number could go up significantly. If you're a high earner, this could mean a bigger tax bill. On the bright side, cost of living adjustments, COLA, are expected to continue, helping retirees keep up with inflation. While the exact COLA for 2025 hasn't been announced yet, experts predict it could be around 2.5% to 3%. That means your benefits could see a small bump to help cover rising costs. Now, you might be wondering, how should I prepare for these changes? Here are a few tips. 1. Review your retirement timeline. If you're close to retirement, consider how the new full retirement age might affect your benefits. 2. Maximize your savings. With potential tax increases, it's a good idea to contribute more to your retirement accounts now. 3. Stay informed. Keep an eye on updates from the Social Security Administration as we get closer to 2025. While these changes might seem daunting, they're all about ensuring Social Security remains strong for years to come. With a little planning, you can make the most of your benefits and enjoy a comfortable retirement. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's planning for retirement. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on Social Security, retirement planning, and personal finance. Let us know in the comments, how do you feel about these changes? Are you ready for 2025? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and plan wisely.